Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. This is a quick troubleshooting video for anyone that purchased our beautiful carbon fiber performance spoilers. Now, some people are having problems with the tips lifting up. This is happening on the Tesla spoilers as well as some of our customers. So we want to again explain something, and hopefully people will watch this if they're referred to this video. But because we only use one side of tape, this edge is really important to be stuck against the lip of the spoiler. So if you put the spoiler on your trunk and you think it's going to be lifting up, it really won't be lifting up if you install it this way. So even though your corners might be up on either side, please watch. This is the instructional method. You pull the tab out like this. You stick the spoiler down on this tip. Then you take this side, you slide the tape across, and you stick both tips down, and with your body you lean into it, and this will put pressure on the leading edge of the trunk and on the inside radius position where we have the tape, and your spoiler will be down. And then be sure to double side duct tape this, and it will flex, it will bow back and forth, and it will conform to the radius and the leading edge on the trunk. Thanks again, and please be sure, tips down first, and then lean into the spoiler, pressing it right up against the aluminum, and apply lots of pressure and tape the ends down. Thanks again, and if you've installed it and you need some new tape, we'll be happy to send you a new piece, but you also can heat it up, warm it up. If you're sticking up on one side and you want to try another attempt, we'd rather you do that than have to send you a new one. So don't be afraid to just warm up the spoiler and lift it and warm it and warm it. It'll come right off. Clean it with tape. Put a new piece of tape on that we send you, or reuse the old one. And remember, tips down. Tips down. Lean into it. Thanks again, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. We hope you love that beautiful performance spoiler.